welcome back to Quick Build. Today we're building 4940. Hey, welcome back to Quick Build. So here's a review for 4940, Rock Raiders walker. Probably a walker, I don't know. So it looks really cool. The legs both move. You make this thing walk slowly. Actually looks really cool, it works well with the drill. Kind of engines on the back to push it forward, I guess. Open up the window, nice little place to sit a minifigure. It's really cool. There's a little storage for weapons and gear on its legs. I really like it, but I really do love these chrome drills. They look fantastic. Hey, thanks so much for watching this short little review, because it's a very tiny little set. Have a great day.